Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some yummy, fluffy holiday cookies, so stay tuned to see how to make them. We're going to start by adding 200 grams of butter into the bowl. And we're just going to beat this until it's nice and fluffy. Next we are going to add 2 cups of icing sugar. And if you would like to check recipe quantities after the video, if you would like to make it yourself, you can go down into the description and check that out. Add the icing sugar 1 cup and then add the second cup just so it doesn't go everywhere. And just beat that until it lightens a little in colour and is nice and fluffy. Take out 400 grams of flour and add that into the bowl. And beat that as well into the mixture. Next we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1 egg white. Beat that in, and the cookie dough is almost ready. Separate the cookie dough and put 1 portion into 1 bowl and leave the other portion portion in the mixing bowl. Cut out a sheet of baking paper and spoon on some of that mixture. And we're just going to roll it between 2 pieces, so fold it up and roll it out. This is how I do it, but you can really roll it however you would like. I just find this easier. So I'm going to roll and cut this now, and I shall see you guys when it's cut. And don't forget to preheat the oven to 180 degrees. So yeah, roll out the cookie dough and cut it into whatever shape you would like. And here are my little cookies. And we're going to put those into the oven for about 10-15 minutes until they are done and smelling yummy. Like the video for my struggles, opening the oven door with my foot. I didn't end up using the other portion of cookie dough, so I'm just going to put that in the freezer, but you can make as much as you like. Next we're going to make some royal icing. So we're going to crack another egg. And we're going to separate the yolk. Separate the yolk, but add only the white into the bowl. And now we're just going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice into it and whisk that up. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of pure icing sugar. If you do not have pure icing sugar or cannot find it, you can take out a mortar and pestle and grind it up yourself. This is harder, but it's definitely worth it. This icing turned out really nice. Next we're going to ice these cookies. I put little Christmas trees, but you can decorate these cookies however you like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you wanna, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!